Hello, welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you and taking you through the Crochet 101 basics. So these are the requirements that you need whenever you're making any crochet item. Number one, it's obvious, we have the tape measure for your measuring, for your measurements. You will need a pair of scissors, just whichever works for you. The function is the same. Major part is yarn. You need yarn comes in different sizes. We have such, this is chunky yarn, it's bulky. We also have other yarn, for example this is light, and we also have medium weight yarn. So depending on the project you are working on and whatever you want to achieve, you choose the type of yarn that you want. Other than that, I have this kit. I got this kit, I think, on Jumia. So these hooks, the crochet hooks, they come in different sizes. So depending on whatever project you're working on, the tension that you want to get, you choose. Or sometimes you get yarn that has specification of the size of the hook that you should use. I have darning needles here. I have stitch markers. Whenever you need to mark, let's say a middle stitch or something, you use this. I have some leftover buttons that I used on some project. So let's get to it. We can start our crochet. So I'm going to be using a 4.5mm hook and the chunky yarn that is over here. So we will start by, let's know how to make a slip stitch, how to attach your yarn, this yarn, to the hook. How do you do it? So this is our yarn. We are going to wrap it around the index finger like so. Okay, so we have two sides. Then you're going to put your hook through the yarn like so. Just make sure you're holding your yarn like this. Let me show you. Yeah, see, just don't release this point. Put it's like you're making a knot, so put your hook through the yarn. Sorry, it's a bit tight, and pull through the yarn like so. Then remove your finger and pull your yarn like so. Maybe I can repeat it. So wrap your yarn around your index finger like so. Yeah, I hope that's clear. Then your hook, put it through the yarn, then pick, yeah, and pull through like so. Then remove your index finger from the yarn and just now fasten until you're okay with the attachment of the yarn on the hook like so. So it shouldn't be too loose, it shouldn't be too tight. This is too loose and it shouldn't be too tight. So just pull your yarn until you have your desired tension. So now we can go ahead and do chaining. So for me to hold my yarn, this is what I do. We're going to leave this end. This is how I hold my yarn. You actually don't have to hold it in this particular way. You can hold it in a way that you're comfortable with. And so for me to chain, we need to yarn over through the hook, okay, and pull through like so. Pull through the loop. So yarn over again and pull through the loop. You just continue yarn over, pull through the loop, and make sure it's not too tight. Again, you don't want it to be too tight because it will give you some headache when you're crocheting. Just make sure it is not tight, not loose, just there in between. So yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. If this is if you feel like I'm going too fast, you can always slow the video so you can see how the chain look like. So yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You continue like this. So that's how you make chain. So depending on what you are making, that will determine the number of foundation chains. So this is your foundation. This is how you make your foundation, by yarning over and pulling through the loop, just like so.